Given this 26th day of April 25 at Metamorphosis School Incorporated, City of Maykawayan, Bulacan. Signed by our school principal, Mrs. Cheryl S. Antonio, and MSSD advisors, Mrs. Ira L. Raimundo, and Mrs. Mary Ann E. Santiago. Junior Police, Ayesha Pobi T. Banila. Counselor, Kyrie Esra D. Gregorio. Counselor, Elisha Nate E. Manukum. Treasurer, Henriette Maxine A. Santos. Junior Police, Lucas Abri I. Daso. Councilors, Kisha May B. Esguera. Secretary, Micaela Gabriel F. Sadsal. Officers, and continue to be a good role model to our dear Metamorphians.